everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Hannah, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this mask transfer proof makeup look. Ever since we started wearing a mask, it's been a struggle for me to put makeup on every day because my makeup will always match and transfer to the mask. So what I did is I find some new makeup products that are really long lasting, changed my makeup routine, and finally guys, I was able to come up with this makeup look that is mask transfer proof. This look is not only a mask transfer proof, but this look is also comfortable to wear under your mask. So yeah guys, if you wanna know how I achieve this mask transfer proof makeup look, then please go ahead and keep watching. So first, I prep my face with moisturizer and sunscreen before I begin with my makeup. You can use any type of moisturizer you like, then always remember to apply sunscreen. To begin our makeup, I will use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This primer is vegan and cruelty-free and it helps your makeup last 4 hours. Also, this primer is lightweight and oil-free and will give you a flawless finish. For me, to avoid the situation of getting a smudging makeup I think less is more approach is the best way. So for that being said, we are not going to use any foundation for this look. So for my base makeup, I will be using this Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint. I will just drop few drops on my face and then I will blend it using my damp makeup sponge. This tinted moisturizer is very light and easy on the skin. I've been using this for a week now and I'm really surprised of how light it is on the skin. When you apply this, it will melt on your skin like water, providing you a naturally radiant skin. This tint claims to last for up to 16 hours. It's water resistant, sweat resistant, and transfer resistant. It hydrates skin for up to 12 hours, seals in moisture, and nourishes dry skin. For my concealer, I will be using this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This concealer is a 16-hour wear. It delivers long-lasting makeup and this will correct imperfections and will make your skin looks radiant, fresh, and natural. I will only apply it on the areas that I need, like on my under eyes to cover my dark circles, on the side of my nose where I have redness. Then to blend that in, I will use my makeup sponge and also I'm going to spray a setting spray on the sponge, then gently dab it on my face. This will help the area where you apply the concealer to set really well. Then I will just let it sit for a few minutes while I do my brows. For my brows, I use the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil and the Feather Effect Styling Wax from Colourpop. I only did my usual brow routine since it won't be covered with mask. I am now done with my brows, then I will move on to my blush. For my blush, I will use this Glossier Cloud Paint Blush. This blush has a lightweight texture and finish formula that is easy to apply and it will not smudge once set on your skin. Today, I'm using a natural pink blush and just slowly blend that on my cheeks. Then, I will just get my makeup sponge and blend it one more time. To set my face, I will use this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder and then I will just tap it first on the back of my hand to remove the excess powder. I'm using a pressed powder over a loose setting powder because pressed powder has more density. By that means it really sets on your skin well and will not move when you wear a mask. So I will just apply it on the areas where I apply the concealer and on the areas where I get oily. My face is now set, moving on to my eyes. For eyeshadow, I will be using this Blush Crush palette from Colourpop and I will only be using this pink shade from the palette. Then I will just apply it all over my lid and on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I will be using this Rare Beauty Matte Liquid Liner. Since this is just a simple look, I will just create a simple winged line on my eyes. I'm gonna curl my lashes now, and for my mascara, I will be using my favorite Clinique High Impact Mascara. This will add volume and definition on your lashes. Then I will just gonna curl it one more time. So I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'm gonna apply bronzer, and I will be using the bronzer from NARS. So normally I would apply bronzer along the other part of my face, but this time I will only focus on applying on my forehead and cheekbone because the cheek area is covered with the mask. For highlight, I will use the KKW Beauty Highlight Stick. Then I will apply a tiny amount on my cheekbones, brow bone, and nose line. For my lipstick, I will be using a stain lipstick. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick. This is a smudge-proof matte lip color that lasts all day. It also claims to be transfer-proof. These lipsticks are very easy to use, so I will just apply it all over my lips. Then I will take a piece of tissue paper and use it to blot the excess lip color. But to make sure, I will just add a bit of powder on top of my lips using a brush. And yes, it helps. It will make your lipstick to be more transfer-proof. And for final step, to set everything in place, I'm going to use a setting spray. I will be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is the key product for today's makeup look, as this product make everything in place and holds so our makeup will last all day. So I will just spray it all over my face, then just leave it to dry until it sets. So guys, that is how I do my mask transfer proof makeup look. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to share it to your friends who are struggling as well to do their makeup while wearing a mask. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!